Let me ask you this. What if I told you that you could start earning online this week without a degree, without experience, and without quitting your job? In this video, I'll show you 15 real tech side hustles anyone can start from home. All you need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, and a little consistency. Some of these can even make you a full-time income if you stick with them. So grab a notepad, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle best. Today, I'm super excited to dive into 15 tech jobs you can start right now for extra income. These are easy to get into, mostly self-taught through free online resources, and perfect for anyone with a computer and some hustle. No need for a college diploma, just your curiosity and a bit of practice. We'll cover what each job is, how to start, and rough earnings potential. Let's jump in and turn your tech skills into cash. First up is freelance web development. If you like building websites, this is gold. You don't need a degree. Start with free platforms like FreeCodeCamp or YouTube tutorials on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Create a simple portfolio site showcasing a few projects, then hop on sites like Upwork or Fiverr to offer services like fixing bugs or designing basic pages. Beginners can charge $20 to $50 per hour, and with practice, you could make $500 to $2,000 a month part-time. It's flexible. Work evenings or weekends, and clients are everywhere needing quick site tweaks. Next, graphic design. Think creating logos, social media graphics, or banners. Tools like Canva or free versions of Adobe Illustrator make it super accessible without formal training. Watch Skillshare videos to learn basics, build a Behance portfolio, and start freelancing on 99 Designs or Etsy. Side hustlers often earn $300 to $1,000 monthly by taking on small gigs. It's creative and fun. Imagine turning doodles into dollars while chilling at home. Third, app testing or QA. Companies need people to test apps for bugs before launch. No degree required. Sign up for platforms like User Testing or BetaBound. You'll get paid to use apps on your phone or computer and report issues. Start by practicing on free apps, then apply for gigs. Earnings? Around $10 to $30 per test, adding up to $200 to $800 a month if you do a few weekly. It's straightforward, just play around and give honest feedback. Number 4, social media management. If you're glued to Instagram or Twitter, turn it into income. Learn through free courses on HubSpot about scheduling posts and growing followers. Offer services to small businesses via LinkedIn or Facebook groups. Charge $200 to $500 per client monthly for handling their accounts part-time. You could pocket $1,000 plus extra by managing 3 to 5 clients on the side. Fifth, SEO specialist. Help websites rank higher on Google. Self-teach with Moz's Beginner Guide or Ahrefs blog. Use free tools like Google Analytics to practice on your own blog. Freelance on platforms like freelancer.com, charging $25 to $75 per hour for keyword research or site audits. Side income potential, $400 to $1,500 monthly. It's in demand because every business wants more traffic without paying for ads. Sixth, affiliate marketing. Promote tech products like gadgets or software through links. No degree. Start a blog or YouTube channel with free WordPress. Join Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Review products honestly and earn commissions per sale, up to 20%. Beginners make $100 to $500 per month, scaling to thousands with consistent content. It's passive once set up. Share what you love and watch earnings roll in. Seventh, virtual assistant for tech tasks. Handle emails, scheduling, or data entry for busy tech pros. Learn basics from free VA courses on Udemy. Platforms like Belay or Zirtual connect you to gigs. Charge $15 to $40 per hour, potentially earning $300 to $1,200 part-time. It's easy if you're organized, no special skills beyond being tech-savvy with tools like Google Workspace. Eighth, tech blogging or content writing. Write articles on gadgets, apps, or trends. No formal education. Practice on Medium or your own site via Blogger. Monetize with ads via Google AdSense or sponsored posts. Freelance on Contently for $0.1 to $0.5 per word. Side earners pull in $200 to $1,000 per month. Share your passion for tech and build an audience. It's rewarding and flexible. 9th, online tutoring in tech basics. Teach coding, Excel, or digital skills via Zoom. Self-learn through Khan Academy, then list on tutor.com or Preply. No degree needed if you prove knowledge with a demo. Charge $20 to $50 per session, making $400 to $1,500 monthly with 10 to 20 hours. Help others while reinforcing your skills. Win-win for side income. 10th, video editing. Edit tech reviews or tutorials using free software like DaVinci Resolve. Tutorials on YouTube teach you fast. Offer services on Fiverr for $20 to $100 per video. Part-timers earn $500 to $2,000 per month. It's creative. Start by editing your own clips to build a reel. With smartphones everywhere, demand is high for polished content. 11th, e-commerce dropshipping. Use Shopify's free trial. Learn from Oberlo guides. Source products from AliExpress. Market via Facebook ads. No degree. Earnings vary, but beginners hit $300 to $1,000 per month profit. 12th, UI/UX design. Free tools like Figma and tutorials on UX Planet get you started. Freelance on Upwork for $30 to $70 per hour. Side hustle potential, $600 to $2,500 monthly. 13th, software bug bounty hunting. Learn ethical hacking basics from Hack the Box free tiers. Platforms like HackerOne list programs. Part-time hunters make $200 to $1,000 per month. 14th, chatbot builder. Create simple bots for businesses using no-code tools like Dialogflow or Chatfuel. Offer on freelance sites for $100 to $500 per bot. Earnings, $400 to $1,500 side income. 15th, tech support freelancer. Self-teach via forums like Reddit's r/tech support. List on Just Answer or Upwork, charging $20 to $50 per hour. Monthly side earnings, $300 to $1,200. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on making money online, career hacks, and the latest tech trends. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. So tell me in the comments, which side hustle are you starting first? Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay hungry, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!